Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Commerce Study Point. Today we'll discuss Chapter 2 of Business Studies Principle of Management. Let's start question number 1. On what basis the principle of management were derived? And the correct option is option C. On the basis of both option A and option B. Now question number 2. Where are the principle of management applicable? And the correct option is option C in both option A and option B. Now question number 3. What is the meaning of the universality of the principle of management? And the correct option is option A, applicable to all the fields. Now question number 4. Out of the following, which one gives more strength to research work? And the answer of this question is option number 4, all of the above. Now question number 5. Which of the following, according to Fuel, happens to be the meaning of the division of work? And the correct option is option B, allotting a specific part of the whole work to every person. Question 6. What principle of management is violated if an employee gets order from more than one superior? And the correct option is option A, unity of command. Question 7. Three subordinates, subordinate 1, subordinate 2 and subordinate 3, receive order from management 1. In such a situation, which principle of management is being observed? And the answer of this question is option C, unity of command. Now the question 8. Which of the following principles aims at checking the ignoring of activities? And the answer of this question is option B, unity of direction. Question 9. A purchase manager of a company has to purchase 500 tons of raw material apart from the other suppliers in the market. His son also supplies that raw material. The manager purchases the raw material from the firm of his son at a rate higher than the market rate. Which principle of management has been violated by this situation? And the correct answer of this question is option C, subordinating personal interest to general interest. Now question 10. Which of the following elements should be kept in mind while determining fair remuneration? And the correct option is this question is option D, all of the above. Now question 11. What type of centralization Fuel talk about? And the correct answer of this question is effective centralization, point C. Now question 12. In what situation has Fuel permitted the violation of the principle of scalar chain? And the correct answer of this question is option B, at the time of sudden happening. Now question 13. The violation of which principle of management results in disorderly flow of information? And the answer of this question is option A, scalar chain. Now question 14. A proper place for everything and everything in its right place. Which with which order is this statement connected as explained in the principle of order? And the answer of this question is option A, material. Now question 15. What principle of management has been given by Henry Fayol? And the answer of this question is option A, principle of unity of command. Now question 16. In which book Henry Fayol has mentioned the 14 principles of management? And the answer of this question is option A, General and Industrial Management. Now question 17. Which one is not the Henry Fayol's principle of management? And the answer of this question is option B, differential wages. Now questions 18. According to which principle of management all similar activities for the fulfillment of one object must be kept under one authority? And the correct option of this question is option D, unity of direction. Now question 19. How many principle of management has been given by Henry Fayol? And the correct option of this question is option B, 14. Question 20. Who is the father of administrative management? And the correct answer of this question is option B, Fayol. Now question 21. Which of the following system of management talks about cheap and efficient way of doing the job? And the correct answer of this question is option B, scientific. Now question number 22. Which system of management talks of complete mental change? And the correct answer of this question is option B, scientific management. Now question 23. Which system of management gives due importance to specialization? And the correct answer of this question is option A, scientific management. Now question 24. What study did Taylor make to set standard time for work? And the correct answer of this question is option A, time study. Now question 25. What did Taylor want to standardize? And the correct answer of this question is option D, all of these. Question 26. In what two departments did Taylor divide the work of a factory manager? And the correct answer of this question is option A, Department of Planning and Production. Question 27. What type of revolutionary change is talked about by F.W. Taylor, Frederick Winslow Taylor? And the correct option of this question is option C, mental revolution. Question 28. Which management expert is talked about mental revolution? And the correct option of this question is option B, Taylor. Now question 29. What was the title of the research paper written by Taylor in 1903? And the correct option of this question is option A, factory management. Now question 30. Which company did Taylor join in America in 1878 as a laborer? And the correct answer of this question is option C, Midwell Steel Company. Now question 31. Under fatigue study. And the correct answer of this question is option D. Rest is given to employee during work. Question 32. Which study is not done under scientific management? And the correct option of this question is option B, profit. Now question 33. Scientific management brings. And the correct option of this question is option C, mental changes. Now question 34, and it is the last question of today's series. In which year Taylor became an engineer from a worker? And the correct option of this question is option B, 1884. तो गाइस आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि आपके कितने आंसर करेक्ट होते हुए। चैप्टर 2 का सीरीज यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं। मिलते हैं कल फिर से एक नई वीडियो के साथ।